Hi! Hello, and welcome to the Daily Almanac for January 12th. So, let's get started. This day in history! On this day in history, January 12th, 1737, John Hancock was born. He was the first to sign the Declaration of Independence. Hancock's skills as a public speaker were much admired. But during the American Revolution, he was best known for his ability to raise funds and supplies for the American troops. After the war, he led Massachusetts to approve the federal Constitution. Hancock was also active in creating a navy for the new nation. Also, on this day in 1896, the first X-ray photograph in the United States was taken by Dr. Henry Louis Smith. He was a professor of physics and astronomy at Davidson College in North Carolina. The X-ray showed the location of a bullet in the hand of a corpse. And on this day in 1986, Space Shuttle Columbia blasted off with a crew that included the first Hispanic-American astronaut in space, Dr. Franklin R. Chang-Diaz. Now, before retiring from NASA in August 2005, he participated in 7 Space Shuttle missions. Today on Word Power, we're going to talk about apostrophes. An apostrophe is a punctuation mark which you use to show ownership. You might say, "This is Jim's bag," spelling Jim's, J-I-M apostrophe S. You can also use an apostrophe to join 2 words together in a contraction. For instance, when you join the words can and not to make the word can't, you spell it C-A-N apostrophe T. Can you think of other words that use apostrophes?
Ooh, extremes.
Today on Extremes, we ask, what kind of plant has the smallest seed in the world? The answer is the epiphytic orchid. In order to get 1 ounce or 28.3 grams of these tiny seeds, you would have to collect over 28 billion of them. They're about as big as a speck of dust.
Health tips.
A shirt covers your chest. Pants cover your legs. Shoes cover your feet. Gloves cover your hands. A hat covers your head. But your face is always out in the open, exposed. So you need to pay special attention to keeping it clean. Dirt enters the skin pores of your face every day. So it's important to wash your face at least twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. And if you can get a 3rd washing in at midday, it's all the better. Use a gentle soap and rinse thoroughly. Face it, that's the way to get rid of the dirt and germs. How many batteries do you think you use in your toys? The problem with batteries is that once they run out of juice, they have to be thrown away. At the dump, batteries can leak bad chemicals like mercury into the ground. So, what can we do? Well, more and more you can buy toys, cameras, and iPods that can recharge by being plugged in. If your toys don't work that way, ask your parents if you can buy rechargeable batteries. If you have rechargeable batteries, you will also need a charger that you plug in. And when your batteries die, you simply put them in the recharger, and after a few hours, they're as good as new. Well, that's all the time we have left today for Daily Almanac. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you tomorrow.